Hey guys, so I broke my thingy. So it was 70 rands from China Mall, so it broke. Hey, they always say cheap is expensive. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new, please click subscribe, and if you're a regular, welcome back. I know I said I'd be consistent, but the past 2 weeks I haven't been well. I haven't posted in 2 weeks, right? So the first week I was really sick, and then the other one I was just recovering. But I went to Mariba concert. My lips are so dry. Anyway, I went to the Mariba concert and it was so great. I'll give you the other updates when I'm settled, because right now, yeah. Anyway, welcome to a day in the life of a software engineer. Just got to work. So I need to print something. So I was on leave, but then I got sick and I got a doctor's note. So they said I actually can take back my leave days and book sick leave. So I'm going to do that before I even sit down.
Kendrick's house. No, it's called Kendrick's house. Found Drake's location.
Bakhiphe nokuthi Drake unedaughter. Ngathi uKendrick ngathi beka all these years ngathi beka bamba ama files. Ngathi vele beka to.
I'm a fan of Africa, Mambeki. Over. It's public domain. Stuff like that. Because if Flabella we are speed and what's our PPN.
Oh yeah, baveza nokuthi yeah, PPN yeah 6K.
Uyamazi uDrake nokuthi kanjani.
Hi guys, you know but indaba yesejari seyafika lesifana.
Hayi.
Asibuyele kule ngoma desizwe ukuthi then we started uyakhuluma kanjani lapha ya. Igate.
Amara guys nemali phela iyaku uyakhona ukuhamba nejini.
You bulk so quick, that type of size you won't get it even over 2 months.
Mara if unemali uzodla.
Yes, that money bought him the Mercedes. Isabella did.
Mara at least azama.
Uba nambisa ngo BBL trees you can drink.
Yeah, ne beef like Drake unama beef amani.
Mara wendanga like that. Okay, maybe let me Drake used to be kanjani kula game because he was making like music like akula khona kancane and stuff like that. Like he wasn't like hardcore.
No.
Yeah, that's the thing, which you're not about this life.
It's money that I assume they could put him on within the black community.
Mara, okay, as good as all my kids when you're
But he did take time.
He went on to.
Mara, he's not as bad as you make it out. Sunday, when you tell Bega one day, Lagule music video. It's not like who is Khalifa one day. Like
oh yeah, no. What he means is it would take time for him to be buff.
Bony, but now his muscles.
But he's not that bad. Like I mean, I don't see a huge difference.
Before he started doing like high and whatnot.
No, should Drake.
But I'm saying with the Drake, like good music video, like Austin Martin. Nah, Nato is like a man. Like I don't see. I don't know. But he's not that bad. Does he?
How does he take food? This is Drake now.
How what's do that Lopega?
Hey, BBL njalo phela. Makes sense. Ayakhula waya.
It's not that bad. Like
Indaba yabona.
Like uyadla ugaining weight. Like
Yeah, that's why I need to. Mhlambe phela uma unemali and you have access to
stuff.
Bang. Maybe.
Maybe. But I
So I'm here to look for an apron at my daughter's school. They'll be doing some painting on aprons for Mother's Day. So I'm here at Macro. Yesterday I went to the Macro that is close to my place. I couldn't find a plain white top. So hopefully I find one here. Okay, so now that I found a couple of things, I'm heading home and then I'm going to continue working from there. Okay, so I moved my desk from the living room to my bedroom again, but now I'm facing the window because I think, yeah. I'm now facing the window because, I don't know, I read somewhere that when you face the window, your productivity levels go up. I don't know, but in the living room, I felt like I was not productive. And even if maybe I wake up around 3 a.m., I would dread going to the living room. So at least if it's this side, if in the middle of the night I wake up and I decide to get up, it won't be much of a train smash. And well, I moved on Tuesday and I was working from home, so I was productive. So I don't know, I think it works, or maybe it's all in the mind, I don't know. I also got a Monster because, like I said, I'm planning to work, but it's the problem about working in my living room. My daughter likes to see me around, so she would want to come this side and it would disturb me. So I'll have to work after she goes to sleep. Whereas that side I could work while she was watching Cocomelon. So everything has its pros and cons, guys. Also, guys, this is looking at work, and it's hair. You look so nice today. And I said thank you, and she's like, you always look nice, but today you look really nice. So I thought I should show you guys. Oh, and I just wanted to mention this. Today, I forgot to record the pod because we were deep into working. Anyway, today, even yesterday, Tandika and I were on a call and she was sharing her screen and whatever. So we were supporting each other today. And I remembered how nice pair programming is, guys. Especially when you have the right partner, obviously. But pair programming is so nice. Like, also I feel like you work fast and you realize the problem quicker than you would alone. I just wanted to share that. Comment down below what you think about pair programming. Yeah? Car, yeah, this is a car. It's not yellow, it's red. Okay, I just changed to Amapigano. And yeah, I just also wanted to mention this. I got monetized finally. So I reached 1,000. So in order to get monetized, you need to reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time in a year. So I got 1,000 subscribers, I think I started my channel in 2021, but I got 1,000 subscribers 2022. But I I was not consistent for the past years, and I was not consistent, so I didn't get a 4,000 hours watch time. And because it's been years, like it would be a year and then it reset in a way, I don't know, but yeah, I didn't have 4,000 hours, so I only reached 4,000 hours recently, and that's because this year I tried to be consistent, right? So the longest I've gone this year without posting videos is 2 weeks. The other year, I think last year, I would post once a month, and then where I post like consecutively was during Vlogtober, where I posted every week. So this year I've been consistent, and I'm finally monetized. So far I've made 38 rands since I got monetized. So thank you. I wanted to say thank you to everyone who keeps on watching my videos. I really do appreciate it. I enjoy making videos. I especially enjoy making a day in a life, and I hope you guys enjoy watching them. And yeah, I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. And please continue watching, and please watch the ads so that you know. And if I do get like enough money, then I'll be able to do a giveaway. And yeah, guys, I just wanted to say thank you. You're the real ones. So I said I'd put my daughter to sleep and then continue working, but I had sleepy, so I'm gonna go to bed and maybe wake up in the middle of the night. If I don't, guys, but I have an assignment to complete, but if I don't, the video if I don't, the video ends here. So please give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe. If it doesn't end here, I'll do this again.